Good day, welcome to Mr. Yohani Pabi. So may pre-owned po tayo na unit na WE Glock 17 Gen 5. Yan, so may markings po yan, extended mag release. May railings, pwedeng lagyan ng laser or flashlight. Then may serration. Yan, so may markings. Then magazine capacity 24 rounds. Ayan. Check po natin yung FPS. Ayan. Color black. Ang unit. Bigyan po natin ng gas. Then BBs gamit ang BB loader. Check po natin yung kanyang FPS. So, lagyan natin ng lubricant silicone oil. Ang loading nozzle, ang half-up chamber. So, sa lahat po ng mga moving parts. So, toy only. Yan. So, crown check po tayo. Passing magazine, clicking sounds. Kasa. Release. Always trigger finger out. Toy only. Crown check po tayo. Crown check. 354.7. 362. Yan. So, nag-slide lock na po siya. Ibig sabihin, wala na po siyang BBs or bala, no? Yan, it's a toy only. So, release po natin yung magazine. Yan, always release po natin yung magazine once nag-slide lock. Yan, release po natin yung slide. Press the trigger. Then, hammer down. Yan po. So, toy only. Always trigger finger out. WE Glock 17 Gen 5. Yan, pre-owned po to. Yan, PM lang po kayo sa Mr. Yohani Pabi na page. Yan. Thank you. Solid.